West Indies won the toss and elected to field first. That's it. That's brilliant. That is magnificent. Another one gone. Sheldon Cottrell looked for the salute. There it is.
Edge, and he's taken an absolute blinder, the keeper. Dre Russ, look at him. Oh, another one. This is Maxwell. This is his second ball. That'll be gone as well.
I was in the air for a while, but there's good timing on it. The outfield's the batsman's friend here. Oh, he finds the fielder at mid-wicket.
Well played, well played. That's controlled. Oh, absolutely smoked. So we're starting to see the best from Carey. Oh, it's hanging. Oh, he falls over. Oh.
Oh, yes. He has indeed. Just going across him on the angle.
Now the fielder, oh, just beats him to his right for 4. Oh, that was easier. That was easier, just on the pads, the pickup shot.
Add 6 to that. That is brilliant. That is outstanding from Sheldon Cottrell. Jason Holder again takes it.
289 required. Edge and taken! He bowls a good length. And his bat's ready to meet that ball. That's the Chris Gale we know. That's worth a shout. What does he do here, Chris Gale? Yeah, stays raised on this occasion.
And again. Unfortunate. It was a good effort.
Fielder's way too square, but it doesn't matter. Oh, in the air. Oh, good catch.
Again, he gets it in front. It's 4. This is very, very exciting. And now 50. The West Indies number 3. Mix up. Oh, terrible mix up out of nothing. Talk about buy a wicket. Doesn't matter if it's a run out. They'll take it, the Aussies.
Oh, there's a fielder there. That is the very last thing the West Indies wanted.
Well, there's the first one. And away. It's more than away.
It's gone a long, long way.
He's going to be safe. But it's... Or is he? No, he's not. That's a brilliant take. Maxwell.
Just 1. And 50 for Jason Holder. He hasn't hit that well at all. Aaron Finch will take it. Aaron Finch does. Mitchell Starc, the wicket taker, in business again. 2 in the over. 150 wickets in ODIs for Mitchell Starc, the quickest to reach that figure. And the West Indies have crumbled. Another 4. and Australia win by 15 runs here at Trent Bridge.